Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your phone and the TV or dongle must share the same Wi-Fi network, and Bluetooth may need to be on for discovery. Once done, make sure location services are enabled so the system can find nearby displays. Next, open the app you'll cast from, or pull down Quick Settings and tap the cast or screencast icon. This starts the scanning process. You'll soon see a list of available devices to select. Once your phone lists devices, you pick the matching display name shown on the TV. This ensures you don't connect to a neighbor's device. After selecting it, accept any pairing prompt or type the short on-screen code to authenticate safely. Make sure to adjust orientation and audio output if the app or system provides options, because these control how content fills the screen. If you need full device mirroring versus just media casting, choose the appropriate mode now so playback behaves as expected. To finish, start the video or mirror your screen and verify that audio and video are in sync on the TV. This confirms a stable cast session. When you're done, tap disconnect or stop casting in Quick Settings or inside the app to end the session cleanly. If the cast fails, try one quick troubleshooting step. Restart your phone and the receiver. Make sure both use the same Wi-Fi band too. 4 versus 5 GHz can matter. And install pending firmware or app updates to resolve compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.